Hello? Hi.
Do I have to tell you multiple times it's a no?
Well, you don't live with your mum, but someone even pickier than her.
Get him. He's not happy.
I'm putting this away.
What happened? What?
Look at him.
Informing.
You look like people.
You need to
Wait,
That show upstairs says everything. No warning needed.
Bella? Say Bella? Bella.
Ja, und was machst du da? Ja, wirklich? Okay. Gut, dann machen wir weiter. Tschüss.
Hi, handsome. Would you like a treat? Do you want a treat? All right, come on. Come on.
Cats always see humans as their servants? Come on, no boss would serve their underling like this. Get a cat and you'll realize some items are no longer needed.
I just told my cat that I was going to go take a shower and I'd be right back. He has no idea what a shower is. But what he does know is the word bath.
Hi, yeah, I'd love some din din.
Since when does she get me?
Yeah, what are you having tonight?
Again.
Yeah, what about some treaties?
Wait, what's she planning?
We'll get some treats for afterwards, yeah?
I wonder what this guy is dreaming about that makes him look so annoyed.
You. What? What? What are you doing? Hi. What you doing? Yeah? Do you like the sun?
So this is why the water bowl sometimes looks like it hasn't even been touched at all.
Hey, what's up? Nothing, just got out of the shower. Let's grab dinner later. I wish I could, but I gotta wash my hair. Didn't you just wash it? It's very greasy, bye.
Turns out, being small and cute doesn't mean you're always easy to mess with. Clearly, the apology isn't accepted. Wait, I was literally eating. Where did my food just disappear to?
Okay, so this is the banana and this is the apple. Show me the banana.
Ready? Here you go, look.
This cat looks like he might ace it in all in Las Vegas.
Good boy. Meow meow. Ah, meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow.
Serafino!
Lean back.
No.
It's got teeth.
Hey!
อยู่เฉย
รู้สึกต้องกัดดิ Hey!
Dude, shake. Good. High five. High five. Super high five. Good kitty.
I bet many piano beginners might feel intimidated by this natural talent. Let me lend a hand, even though it's not actually helpful at all.
Yes, what do you want from me? Okay. I'll give you some tuna treats then.
You have no power here. He's so angry that I won't pick him up. You have to jump up here. You can, I know you can. All you gotta do is use your wings.
大家好，我今天是傻瓜。
คุยกับป้าก่อนเร็วเร็วเล่นกันก่อนเห็นตั้งแต่มาวันแรกอ่ะใช่พี่ดาวเห็นมาวันแรกพี่ลี่แต่ว่าเขาโตเร็วมากป้าดูต้ามันทำหน้ามันก็มีร้องจริงด้วยดูสวัสดีจ้าหนีไปหนีร้องอุ้มเลยดี
Is the catfish your best friend?
Get up from the bed.
No, that's not a toy. Oh my gosh. Hey. You're ridiculous.
We just got up. I cannot go back to sleep. So, Kermit won.
Long day's work. Oh, somebody. Oh, did you open the door for me? Hi. Hi, baby.